How to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to Cash App. I'm going to explain how this works. There are a few different options available. The first option is through Winning Rewards. Tap on the Rewards tab at the bottom and you'll see different gift card options. You can earn a Cash App gift card here. Tap on Get Scratch Card, and if you're lucky, you can win. Once you win, you can redeem that balance to your Cash App account. As you can see here, I just scratched and received a free premium benefit, which is fine, but you will find different prize draws in this section as well. Another option is to buy a gift card directly. You will need 5,000 Sweatcoins for a $5 gift card, 25,000 Sweatcoins for a $10 gift card, and 50,000 Sweatcoins for a $20 gift card, $15 gift card. These can be for Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, and more. There should also be an option for a Cash App gift card. Simply tap on the one you want and buy it from this screen. And that's how you can get money from Sweatcoin to Cash App. Hope this helps. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.